Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota RAV4 key fob battery. This is a simple process that you can easily do at home with just a couple of common items. First, you'll need a fresh CR 2032 3-volt coin battery. You can find these at most electronics stores or online. Additionally, grab a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to help open the fob. Now, let's get started by opening your key fob. First, find the small release button on the side of the fob and press it firmly. This will allow you to slide out the mechanical emergency key. Once the emergency key is out, look for a small notch or groove on the key fob casing. Insert the tip of the emergency key or your pry tool into this notch and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Next, we'll work with the ash to get our iodine into a liquid form. Transfer the collected seaweed ash into a beaker. Add about 20 to 30 cubic centimeters of purified water to the ash and gently boil the mixture for approximately 5 minutes. This boiling helps dissolve the iodide ions from the ash into the water. After boiling, carefully filter the hot solution to separate any remaining insoluble ash, leaving you with a clear liquid rich in dissolved iodide ions. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them together until they securely snap into place. Make sure there are no gaps. Next, slide the mechanical emergency key back into its designated slot until you hear a click, indicating it's fully seated. Finally, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your vehicle to confirm that the new battery is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.